So welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So guys, what is this? This is our Lenovo IdeaCentre 3 all-in-one desktop. So guys, while I'm opening it, I would like to tell you we paid about 460 Omani Riyals for it, which is equivalent to about 1200 American dollars. Okay, so guys, we'll take it out of the box. Okay, and we will do a basic walk around and overview of this machine. Okay, so guys, it is nicely packed with lots of thermocol around. Okay, so here is the keyboard and the mouse combo, and here I think is the power adapter for it. Okay, so I hope you can see it. Then what else is in the box, and that's pretty much. So guys, here it is. Okay, so guys, now this machine, it is powered by Intel i7 processor. Okay, and it comes with 16 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD hard disk. Okay, so and this machine, it comes pre-installed with Windows 11 operating system, and it also has a small graphic cards, NVIDIA graphic cards, 2 GB, okay, MX550, okay, and it also has inbuilt two 33 watts speakers. Okay, and it also comes with a webcam, which is 5 megapixel webcam, and it comes with Wi-Fi, Ethernet and Bluetooth connectivity, and it also comes with this wireless mouse and the keyboard. Okay, so guys, now this can be tilted according to your convenience. Okay, and it comes with very high quality and very solid stand. Okay, so let me turn it around for you. Okay, so guys, here you can see, so it has a power adapter, and it has one HDMI out, and it has 1 2 3 4 USB ports and one port for your LAN card. Okay, so guys, what we will do is we will switch it on. Okay, and we will see the basic first impressions of this machine. So guys, I plugged in the power supply. Okay, I installed the batteries in the keyboard and the mouse. Now let us switch it on and let us see the first impression. Okay, so here is the welcome screen. Okay, so this is the first thing it is asking. English, US, yes. Okay guys, now it is asking me for my internet connection, so I'll connect it to my internet. Okay, license agreement, we accept. So guys, now the windows are loading. So guys, now the system has booted, and this is the first screen which appears. Okay, so guys, you can see the desktop looks very neat. Okay, and here are some options which comes with Windows, and the mouse is very good to my response, and the mouse, it responds very nicely to my actions. So guys, here I opened some royalty free music on YouTube so that you can listen to the audio quality. Actually, as I told you in the beginning, this machine is powered by two 3 watts Harman Kardon speakers. So here it is. So as you know, it is very thin. Okay, so the sound is not great, but it is not that bad also. So later we are going to attach these studio monitors with this. So guys, that's all for today. Okay, so if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos and all kind of stuff. So guys, all of you, thanks for watching and stay